Iran has issued a stark nuclear warning amidst its conflict with Israel, signaling a potential shift from its declared peaceful nuclear intentions. Iran's nuclear stance may undergo a revision, warned Ahmad Hatlab, a senior commander of the Iranian Revolutionary Guards, as reported by Tasnim. He indicated that Iran's nuclear policy could diverge from prior peaceful commitments in response to Israeli threats. Hatlab asserted that any Israeli aggression towards Iran's nuclear sites would be met with a robust missile retaliation, declaring an end to the hit-and-run era. Before we proceed with the news and facts, please like and subscribe the channel to continue to receive such informative videos. Thank you. This pronouncement of a doctrinal shift follows Israel's contemplation of how to react to Iran's missile barrage of over 350 missiles and drones were launched by Tehran at Israel in retribution for the assassination of a high-ranking official at an Iranian embassy in Syria earlier in the month. The assault was largely intercepted, sparing Israel from significant harm. Israeli authorities have pledged a counteraction, yet have withheld specifics, raising concerns about a potential full-scale conflict in the region. Previously, Israeli decision-makers considered targeting Iran's nuclear facilities as a countermeasure to Tehran's aggression, as per reports from Elif, a London-based news outlet. As the cycle of retribution intensifies, Israel is resolved to penalize Iran amidst the escalating tensions. U.S. leaders and international allies have advised Israel to moderate its response to Iran's recent offensive. Prime Minister Netanyahu has delayed any retaliatory action due to increasing international pressure, as reported by CAN. A U.S. intelligence report from February highlights Iran's use of its nuclear program as a bargaining chip against global pressure. The report suggests that Iran might aim to enrich uranium to 90% purity in response to attacks. Despite the infrequency of such declarations, Iran's intelligence minister Mahmoud Alavi warned in 2021 that Western sanctions might compel Iran to pursue nuclear armament. Alavi cautioned that pushing Iran could lead to it developing nuclear weapons, not by its own volition but due to external pressures. He likened Iran to a cornered cat that might react unexpectedly compared to one that is free. A religious decree by Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the supreme leader, prohibits the pursuit of nuclear weaponry. Nuclear bomb production and accumulation are prohibited, affirmed Khamenei in 2019. The revival of the Iran nuclear agreement, which limited Iran's nuclear activities in return for sanction relief, has been at a standstill since 2018 following the U.S. withdrawal under President Trump. As of February, Iran has been enriching uranium to 60% purity, as stated by Rafael Grossi, head of the International Atomic Energy Agency. Such levels approach weapon grade and exceed the needs for civilian nuclear applications, according to Grossi. A recent U.S. intelligence evaluation from January indicated that Iran had not been engaging in crucial nuclear weapon development activities required for a testable nuclear device. In March of the previous year, General Mark Milley, then chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, informed Congress that Iran could potentially move towards weaponization within months.